Since 1975, Decoustics has been manufacturing custom interior ceiling panels, wall panels, and systems. With a strong commitment to quality, innovation, and service, Decoustics has garnered consistent renown and satisfaction in the architectural, construction, and interiors industries. Decoustics' range of premium custom ceiling and wall systems includes Decoustics Solo T lift and shift wood ceiling. Today we are going to show the correct procedures to install a Decoustics Solo T ceiling. Before starting the installation of the Solo T ceiling, it is important to check that all the required components have been received. It is essential to use the Solo T wood ceiling installation guide as a reference, as it gives accurate step-by-step installation instructions. The Solo T is an assembled wood acoustical panel that is designed to fit onto heavy-duty 1516 T-bar grid. The first step required for installing the Solo T wood panels is to ensure safety clips are mounted on each corner of the panel. The safety clips are attached to the metal cross rails with Tech screws. To assemble the Solo T panels, position the safety clip over the correct mounting holes. Using a power driver, screw through the metal cross rail. Once the safety clips are attached, the panel is ready for installation into the ceiling grid. The angled safety clips that are attached to the back of the panel's cross rails prevent the panels from being dislodged from the ceiling structure should there be an inadvertent dislocation. Solo T panels are always installed with the supporting clips resting on the main T-bar support. All ceiling panels during the installation will be oriented in the same direction. To start installation, orient and align the Solo T panel with the T-bar opening. Insert the panel support rail leading edge onto the main T. Gently depress the safety clip so that the back of the panel is tight to the T-bar. While inserting the tile support rail onto the main T-bar, swing the opposite side of the panel up and beyond the main T-bar support. Gently depress the safety clip as the panel is raised. With the Solo T support rails positioned above the T-bar, lower the panel into place. Installed Solo T panels are self-aligning, featuring a 1/4 inch defined joint between panels parallel to the linear wood planks, and a 3/16 inch defined joint between the ends of panels. When properly installed, the Solo T panels provide a uniform, level, and consistent ceiling installation. For more information on Decoustics Solo T ceiling, visit decoustics.com or call 1-800-387-3809.